Have you ever wondered what goes on at a digital accessibility workshop? Well, let me show you. Follow me. We had a great time at the Company of Biologists, delivering our 3 half-day workshops to their team. We kicked things off with the Developing a Curious Mindset about Digital Accessibility workshop. In this in-person experiential workshop, we explore the different types of disabilities a user may have and the impact that will have on their ability to navigate the digital landscape. In the next session, we take a look at content and the best practices on adding content to websites, including PDFs, and we take a look at social media. In the final workshop, which is geared towards technical teams, we take a deep dive and look at the different ways to add markup in an accessible way. Combined, these 3 workshops provide a solid foundation for any team to ensure the products and websites that they develop are accessible going forward. And as an added bonus, every attendee gains access to our online course material, where we have put all the references and information from our workshops for ongoing learning. Interested? Then why don't you get in touch? Can you snore any louder, Iggy? That's my dog snoring, typically when I'm recording.